We have discussed that one. Okay, we will be discussing some
Yes,
questions
sir.
on that one also. Okay. And the last topic, comparing very large and very small numbers. That one is left. Okay. Okay. You guys have memorized the laws. I'm hoping that you
Yes,
guys
Yes,
have
sir.
sir.
memorized the laws. Okay. All right then.
So we are doing the exercise.
Yeah, we will do the exercise, but before that, I have got few questions. Okay. See these questions. In these questions, we have to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, you guys know. For example, multiplicative
Yes,
inverse
sir.
of 5 is 1
Reciprocal.
upon 5. Simply, it's
Yes,
reciprocal.
sir.
Right. So find the reciprocal of these numbers.
Sir, do we have to send in the chat box or do we have to tell?
You, if it's possible to write in the chat box, will it be possible? Like, I mean, will it be convenient? If it's convenient, then write it in the chat box, or otherwise, if any difficulty, just
Send
tell
me
me.
12
Okay.
your full name.
I'm joining from the ID. Okay, I haven't joined yet.
So
Yeah.
shall we tell?
Yeah. Just start solving the question first. Okay. I'm joining
Okay,
from my
sir.
laptop. Then you will have to share there.
Okay, sir.
So where do you have to send? I got disconnected.
Okay, you have to send. I'm joining from a new ID. You have to send there. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in the first one, do you have to write the full value that what comes after the
No,
power
no,
date?
no. There's no need to write the full value. Just write its multiplicative inverse. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Or do one thing now. I'm assigning two questions to you, Arhan. First two questions to you, then next two questions to you, Aram. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then it will be more convenient, and just give me your answers. No need to write it in the chat
Okay,
box.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
1 by 2, 1 by 2 powered by 4.
Exactly. 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. Very good.
And sir, the second one would be 1 by 10 power 5. Power 5.
Power 5. Good.
So I got it. It's 1 upon
Yeah.
49 and 1 upon 25. I solved it. I
No,
multiplied
you
it
don't
by
have to
power.
solve it actually.
Okay, then 1 upon 7 raised to the power minus 2.
No, raised to
And
the
1
power
upon
2
5.
now. 1 upon
Yes.
7 raised to the power 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3.
Okay, 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3. And the third one? 1
The third
upon
one
10
is
raised
1
to the
upon
power.
10, 100.
Exactly. Right. Okay, so it is quite easy. Right.
Yes, sir.
All right then. So let's solve few more questions. I've got some more questions for you guys. Now, we need to simplify them and write them in an exponential form here. Yeah. So the question is
Okay,
like
sir.
this. The base are same. You need to apply the appropriate law of exponent here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it
Sir,
will
shall
also
I answer the first one?
Okay, Arhan, you will be doing the first one, and Arham, you will be doing the second one. Okay.
Okay, sir. So the first one is -2 powered
Yeah.
-2 powered by 7 -7.
Exactly. -7. Good. And the
and
next one.
the
Yeah.
next one is p raised to the power um p raised to the power
Mm-hmm.
7 -7.
-7. Good. P raised to the power -7. Okay. And the third one, who will tell me?
3 to the 9,
Arhan?
27.
Sir,
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 27 raised to the power
No, you don't
um
have to. You don't have to multiply them. Okay. You
yes,
have
yeah.
to
so it
write
will be
the number
3
in the
raised to the
exponential
power
form.
3
Hmm.
raised to the
3
power 3.
3 raised to the power 3.
3.
Exactly. Very good. Right. Okay. So these questions are easy, and I guess you guys can solve such questions yourself. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So likewise,
Yes,
in the
sir.
first exercise, you will see now you have such questions. Okay. Like question number 1, 2, 3, all of them are very easy. Okay. I want to solve.
Yes.
Yes,
I
sir.
want you guys to solve the question number first, the one which I'm highlighting here, of second one, this one, and this one. Okay, let's solve these questions.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So it will be 1 upon 9. First one.
The first one.
Yes.
-4 upon -4, 5 minus 8. That's what
No,
we
so
do
the
here,
first
no?
evaluate one.
Which one?
Sir, don't we have to answer in the chat box?
I don't think it will be convenient to write it in the chat box. You guys can just answer it.
Okay,
It
sir.
will be the first evaluate first one, the tick one will be 1
Yeah.
upon 9.
The first one, which I am ticked with the blue color here, this one.
Yes. Yes.
No, you have to solve the one which I have highlighted using the red color here.
Okay.
Okay, this one and this one. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I have to solve the first 3 questions.
Yeah. Question number 1 and question number 4 only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So the first one is 9.
It is
9. The first one.
okay. This one, I'm guessing you guys are doing this one. No, I have told you guys to solve the second one.
It will be 1 upon -64.
1 upon
-64.
-64. Okay,
Sir, I
that is
thought we were
correct here.
solving question 1. Question
Yes.
1. I thought we were solving question
Question.
1.
Oh, okay. No, we are solving question 1 of second question. Okay. So let me
Okay,
tell you
sir.
how we solve this question. The question was this now: -4 raised to the power 5 divided by -4 raised to the power 8. That was the question.
5
And we know
minus
that
8.
when we have got common basis, for example, a raised to the power m, a raised to the power n. So it is a m
Sir,
minus n.
yes, sir.
Yes. So it will be -4 raised to the power 5 minus 8.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so -4 raised to the power -3
3.
here.
So -3.
Okay, and now in order to make the n a positive value, what we will do? We will
So we
reverse
will,
the order,
yes, sir. Multiplicative inverse.
basically multiplicative inverse. So it will be 3. And as Arhan said, it's -64.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes,
Okay. Now in the second one, that one is also easy. First, you have to
Yes,
use
sir.
this one. This law will be used in the bracket.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And whatever value you are getting, then you will use another law which is suitable to the question. To solve
Okay,
question
sir.
number 4 also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whoever solves the question first, just do tell me.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Sir, it is 3 raised to the power minus 3.
3 raised to the power minus 3.
3
Okay.
raised to the power 3.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir.
3 raised to the power, is it minus 2?
No, it will be
Okay,
just
let's.
Sir, let me recheck.
3
Okay,
raised to
okay,
the
let's.
power 3.
Arham, come a little bit closer to your mic.
Sir, minus 13.
Minus 13. Okay, let's check it. Different answer. I'm getting a different answer from you guys. So 3 raised to the power minus 7 minus 10. Okay. Then multiplied
Yes.
by 3 raised to the power minus 5. So here we are
Sir,
getting what?
it's minus 8. Minus 8, sir. Minus 8. Sorry, sir.
Okay, okay, let's
3
check it
raised to the
then.
power minus 8.
Minus 8. Okay, let's check it. So it's going to be 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied 3 raised to the power minus 8 here. Right
Yes.
now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. That is given. Sorry, 3 raised to the power 5 is given here.
Yes,
This
sir.
one, no, which we have taken this one. So 3 raised to the power minus 5. Power minus 5. So now it's going to be how much? The bases are common here. You just have to
Yes.
add them. Okay, so we
It
get
will be
3 raised to the power
-2.
minus 2. Further, we can write it as 1 upon 3 whole square also.
Yes.
Right? Getting it now. So while
Yes, sir.
solving the question, you have to be aware of all the laws of exponents. Multiple laws can be used in the same question. Getting it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see any other questions which you guys would like to solve from exercise 12.1 in this
So
slide.
3.
Question number 3, third one.
Yes.
Okay, let's solve this one also. 1 upon 2 minus 2 raised to the power minus 2, 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2, plus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. Okay, that one is very simple here. Okay, just reverse the
sir.
digits here. 2 square
Okay, sir.
plus 3 square plus 4 square. Now we can do it, right?
Yes.
Easy. Okay, now another question. See question number 4. Give it a try, guys. Try to solve it yourself.
First one, sir.
Yeah, first one.
Okay.
The fourth one.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So it will be 1, 3.
Okay. Just first solve it now. Have you solved it or just guessing the answer?
So it is 0, right? So everything will be 1, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3.
If you have a number where the value of n is 0, remember, if
Yes.
5 raised to the power 0, it was equal to 1 now.
1. Yes.
Yes, sir. It is one.
It is 1 now. So obviously the
Yes,
value
sir.
of the whole equation will be 1 here. Getting it now.
Yes, sir.
So no
Yes, sir.
no matter if you were to solve it, you will be getting the answer. But still we will be solving it. So 3 raised to the power minus 1, because you can't just write just write 1 as the answer.
Yes.
Okay, otherwise the examiner will give you 0 marks.
Sir,
Okay.
it is 47 by 60. 47 by
47
60
by
powered by 0.
60. Yeah, very good. Okay, so 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. So the LCM you will be getting is 60, right? So 20 plus 15 plus 12 here, right now. So you get here 47, right? 47 upon
Yes.
60 raised to the power 0. Obviously, it's going to be 1. Very good. The
One.
second
Yes,
one is
sir.
also easy. If you have a value like this, a upon b raised to the power m, and the whole value is raised to the power n. So simply the exponents were getting multiplied here,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right?
sir.
So that also you guys can solve yourself. Now, see other questions. Any other questions you guys would like to discuss?
7 third.
The question number 5.
Question number 5. Okay, let's start with question number 5, and then we will see question number second of 7th. Okay.
Yes.
So question number 5, what is given in the question? You need to find the value of m. Yeah, that one was an interesting question. Okay, that we will be solving here. Now, see in this question now, on the left hand side and on the right hand side, the bases are same.
Yes.
The bases are same here. So
Yes, sir.
that thing we have
Yes,
noticed
sir.
here. Okay. And we know as per the rule, yeah, sorry. As per the rule, if the base is same, the powers are subtracted, right?
Yes.
Yes,
5
sir.
raised to the power minus 3.
Exactly. So here it's m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5.
And
Now,
minus 3, right?
in
Yes,
this,
sir.
Oh, yes. Yes.
it's going to be m plus 3 now,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. And here in this case, in the second step, you see the base on both the side are same. Base on both LHS and RHS side are same, so we will be cancelling them. So it is just m plus 3 equals to 5. We can do it like
Yes.
this. Okay. Remember, this is important
Yes, sir.
step. So it is going to be m equals to 5 minus 3. That is 2. Okay. So
Yes,
the
sir.
value of m here is going to be 2.
Yes, sir.
In fact, you can check this also. If you were to put here
Yes.
in place of m as 2, you will be getting 5 raised to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we know the powers get subtracted when the bases are same and are in division. So it will be 2 plus 2, sorry, 2 minus minus 3. That will give you 5. That is 5
Yes.
here.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's move on to next question. Which question? Someone mentioned question number second of
7 second.
7th one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Or the first one? Which one?
Second, sir. Second.
Second one. Okay. So it is like this: 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied 125. I want you guys to try it first. Okay.
Okay. So
I
can we cut off
Okay, sir.
the powers?
In this case, no, we can't cut off the power simply because their bases are not same.
But if the bases are equal, can we cut off the powers?
Yeah, if the bases are equal, we can cut off the powers. Getting, for example, it's 5 raised to the power 3 and 5 raised to the power 2. Okay, so we can cut the bases. It will be only
Sorry.
5.
I was talking about the powers,
Yeah, powers.
the
If you
exponents.
have no numbers like this 5 upon 3 and 5 upon 2, it is simply
Yes.
what? 5 multiplied 3 times and 5 multiplied 2 times. So you can
Yes.
calculate these two fives and these two fives. So you will be remaining with 5 only here now.
Yes.
Yes,
You are
sir.
left with 5 only. Okay, give this question a try. Try to solve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
You
sir.
need to make sure that all the terms are in their exponential form.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Make two things clear: that numbers are in exponential form. And second thing you need to look in this question, you need to make sure that you get common basis, same basis,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Okay.
So excuse me, sir.
Yes, Arhan?
Sir, if the powers are like -5 plus 5, will it be 0?
Yeah, it will
The
be
power
0.
0?
Yeah, it will be 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like if you have a number like 2 raised to the power 5 and multiply 2 raised to the power -5, obviously its resultant in is going to be 0. Why? Because 2 raised to the power 5 plus -5, so it's 2 raised to the power 0 and it gives you 1. We can just cut them like this. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So by the way, I found the answer.
Oh, very good. What is the answer?
That is 3,125.
Okay, why are you guys finding the final answer like in whole numbers? Just solve it in exponential form. Try to get your answer in the
Then
exponential
it
form
is
only.
that 3 raised to the power 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 5.
5 raised to the power 5. Okay, good. I guess your answer is correct. What about you, Arham?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will be solving it. I guess, yes, Ahmed. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Ahmed, you are being late in the class. Why is it so, Ahmed? Try to join the class at the time.
Okay, so sorry.
No, there's no need to say sorry because you are missing on important concepts in the class and it will be difficult for you, dear. Okay. So if there's network issues or any issues, please get it resolved. Okay, Ahmed.
I'm sure, sir. I will.
Okay. Okay. And if there's any issues in, or if you need any questions, if you have any questions, you feel free to ask in the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we are solving question number 2 of 7 question. Arhan, you have solved it very, very good. So it's 3 raised to the power -5 multiplied 10 raised to the power -5 multiplied 125 upon 5 raised to the power -7 multiplied 6 raised to the power -5. Now we can make slight changes in the given numbers here. 3 raised to the
Yes,
power
sir.
5 -5, you will write it as it is. 10 raised to the power
Yes.
-5 can be written as 2 into 5 raised to the power -5 here. Getting
Yes,
it?
sir.
And 125 can be written as what? 5 raised to the power 3.
Yes.
Yeah. We can write it like that.
Yes, sir.
Now 5 raised to the -7. Now 6 raised to the power -5. Can I not write it like this? 2 into 3 raised to the
Three.
power -6.
-5.
Since
-5.
we studied, yeah, sorry, -5 is there. -5.
Yes.
Yeah. Since we know that as per the law, we studied a law now,
Yes, sir.
AB raised to the power m, it can be written as A raised to the
The
power m
ABM,
multiplied
BM.
AM into BM.
BM.
Yes, sir.
Right now, we could write it like that. So same thing we are doing it here as well. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So further, we will write it like this. 2 raised to the power -5, 5 raised to the power -5 into 5 raised to the power 3. Why? Because of this law of exponent, right?
Yes, sir.
Earlier you had a number like this. Now you broke it like this. Getting it? Then
Yes,
we
sir.
know AB raised to the power m, it is simply equal to AM raised to the multiplied B raised to the power m.
Yes.
So it's 2 raised to the power -5, 3 raised to the power -5, right? Now look out
Yes.
for the values which we can cancel out. What are the values we can cancel
2
here?
raised to the power of -5.
Yeah,
And
these
3
two
raised
are
to the
getting
power.
cancelled.
Yes, sir.
These
Also
two are
3
also
raised to
getting
the power.
cancelled.
Yes.
Okay. And we are left with these three values only here now.
Yes.
Or there any else any other value which you are left with?
No.
I guess we are not left with
No.
any other value, right? Okay. Or if it's difficult now, just don't cancel them. Just look out for the common basis and try to add them.
Okay.
Getting it what I'm trying to say? So it will
Yes,
be
sir.
what? It will be 3
Five.
raised to the power minus 5 plus 5
Yes.
here.
That will be
We have taken this. Just spot the common bases. What are they? 3 raised to the
Yes.
power minus 5. Here 3 raised to the
oh
minus
yes, sir.
5. Okay. And also look out for other values also. 2 raised to the power minus 5. 2 raised to the power minus 5.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. And then
Yes,
you
sir.
have one more value. 5 raised to minus 5. 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to minus 7. The bases are common here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's add them. Now we
5
know
raised to the
3 raised to
power
the power.
minus 12 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3.
Okay. Okay. Hold on for a minute. If you were to bring out 3 raised to the power 5 above on the numerator side,
Yes.
3 raised to the power minus 5, it is already here. Now, if you were to bring this on the above side, it will be 3 raised to the power 5,
Yes.
right? Remember,
Yes, sir.
we
Yes.
had a value like this. It could be written like this. Getting it now?
Yes.
So you are adding it. Then take the another number, 2 raised to the power minus 5 plus 5.
Hmm.
Okay. Then
0.
5 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 plus 7. Now 3 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 0 plus 5 raised to the power what? How much?
7, 10,
5.
5.
5 no? So 3 raised to the
Yes, sir.
power 0 here. It's in multiplication, sorry. They are not in addition. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's 1. It is also 1. It is 5 raised to the power, whatever it is. Okay. So you are
Yes.
getting this value here. Okay.
Yes.
Getting it what we have done here, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Or else we could have simply cancel them out also. Like we were
Yes.
canceling this value, these value, and these value. So we were left with what? We were left with 5 only, no?
Yes.
5 raised to the power
Yes, sir.
minus 5 multiplied 5 raised to the power 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus 7. So
7.
here the what the value we are getting 5 raised to the power minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power minus 7, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what we were
Yes,
left
sir.
with. Okay. So and we also know when a raised to the power m is divided by a raised to the power n, simply you were to subtract their exponents. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it would have been solved like this: 5 raised to the power minus 2 minus minus 7. Getting it?
-2 plus 7.
Right. It was 5 raised to the power minus 2
-2
plus
plus
7. So it is 5 raised to the power 5 here. Right.
Yes, sir.
Hope this question is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
The
so
first one is
7
clear.
what is that?
Yeah.
T which is not equal to 0.
Mhm. This one. This one is also easy. You have to apply the same method
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay. Nothing too tricky in this one, right? 25 as 5 is square.
Yes.
Okay. Any other number? 10. You will leave 10 as it is.
Okay.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's solve it. Okay. 25 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 4 upon 5 raised to the minus 3 into 10 into 10 raised t raised to the power minus 8. And t here is
So can we
not equal to
simplify
0.
the 10?
We
2
can
into
simplify the 10.
2 and 5.
Yeah, we can do that also. But we will
-2
be not getting like bases for 2.
Okay.
It's 5 is square multiplied t raised to the power minus 4 and 5 raised to the power minus 3 here into 10 into t raised to the power minus 8. So if you were to break this like this 2 into 5, how would you break it? It doesn't make sense now. We need to
Yes.
get it in exponential form. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It has no
Yeah,
power on
sir.
it. It's simply 10 here. Had it been another number like 100, then it would make sense to break it. Getting it here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's proceed it and let's solve it then. So what are the common bases we are having? 5 raised to the power 2 and
5 raised to the
5 raised to the
power
power
-3.
-3, right?
And T
And
to
we
D.
know that
Yes, sir.
when you have numbers like this, you basically subtract the exponents. Getting it
Yes,
now, guys? So
Yes.
2 minus -3.
5.
So that is 5 raised to the power 5 here.
5.
2 plus 3, that is 5 here. So it will be 5 raised to the power
Yes,
5
sir.
multiplied t raised to the power -4, right?
Yes.
And again, you had this number also, t raised to the -8 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
would
we
be
can
3 raised
add
to the
them
power
also. Getting it? Let me break it so that everyone gets to understand it. So it will be t -4 minus -4, right?
Yes.
So t -4 plus
Yes,
4.
sir.
Simply t raised to the power 0, that is equal to 1.
Yes.
Yes.
Or had we done some
Yes,
mistake?
sir.
Okay, okay, I'm terribly sorry. It's 8 now. I took it as 4.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so it will be now,
minus.
guys,
Yes, sir. It's
t
it.
raised to the power 4. Okay,
Yes.
Yes,
so it
sir.
will be
It
t
will be
raised
T
to the
raised to
power
the power 4.
exactly upon 10,
10.
right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
what we will do, we will simply write the value of 5 raised to the power 5. So it is how much? 5 raised to the power
625.
5. 625,
25.
exactly. 25 upon 10 into t
Yes.
raised to the power 4.
Divide by 2.
So that is no your answer, guys. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that one was also easy here. Okay. So we have discussed all
So
the
won't it
questions.
be divided by 2?
Won't it be getting divided by 2 here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir, can we do this like 2 raised to the no, we can't do it. Okay.
Just
Okay.
give me a moment here.
Yes, sir.
Why haven't we divided it with 2 here? Okay, look, one thing here. Now,
Yes, sir.
starting from this here, we added the powers, right? And then we
Yes.
added these 2 powers also. So we get t raised to the power 4 and 5 raised to the power 5. We were getting it now.
Yes.
Okay, I guess this answer should be correct. Or have we missed on something here? Look carefully at the question.
Sir, I guess we have to simplify the 10.
We have to simplify it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do one thing now. Starting from the first method, we did this now. 5 is square into 10 to raised to the power minus
Yes,
4,
sir.
right? Then you had 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to the power minus 8. Then you had this number, no? We added them. 5 into 2 plus 3, 5 raised to the power 2 plus 3 into t minus 4 plus 8, right?
Yes.
That is what we did. And you were left with 10 on the denominator side. So 5 raised
Yes.
to the power 5 into t raised to the power minus 4. Sorry, t4, not minus 4,
Yes.
upon 10. Now we could have simplified it further also. Had we written it like this, 5 into 5 raised to the power 4. Can we not write it like this? 5 into 5 raised to the power 5 can be written as 5 into 5 raised to the power 4.
And then we
Yes,
can
sir.
cut.
Because any number like in the form 5, it has naturally exponent as 1 above its head.
Yes,
And we
sir.
know
Yes, sir.
the powers gets added here, so it becomes 1 plus 4, that is 5 here, into
Yes,
t
and
raised
Yes,
to the
sir.
power 4.
yes,
Now
sir.
we
Yes,
could
sir.
have written 10 as t2 into 5. As I said, with what value you will be cancelling if you have only 2 or 5 here. So
Of
now
5.
we have got 5 raised to the power 1 and 5 raised to the power 1 here as well. So now we can
Yes.
cancel it. Getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Since 5 raised to the power 5 is equal to 3125.
Exactly. That's why I said something's not correct with the solution. So now here you will be getting 625, 5 raised to the power 4. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
625
Yes, sir.
upon 2 into t raised to the power 4. So that is the correct method. Okay, so you'll be solving this using this method. Okay, if you like, you can take the screenshot. Okay, done.
Sir, done.
Okay, so whatever questions are remaining in the exercise, you guys will have to solve that. All right.
Yes, sir.
No. So in today's class, we will be talking about how do we use exponents to express small numbers in a standard form. Remember in the beginning of the chapter, I told you the contents of the chapter.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Use of exponents to express small numbers in the standard form. Right?
Yes, sir.
So we are in the fourth topic of the chapter. See here. Some of the important facts given are here. Like what? The distance from the earth to sun is this much. The speed of light is this much. All the different
Yes.
facts are given here. Right? Thickness of the book is given here. The diameter of red blood cells are given here. So these are very small values. Okay. How do we represent these values in the form of exponents? That is the question.
Yes,
So you told
Right.
us to use minus
Hmm.
10 something.
Yeah, that we will be discussing in more detail in this question, in this part. Okay. So see, for example, here, for example, numbers like 2 centimeter, 8,848 meter, or 6 lakh 95, 69 like 50,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Or these are some large numbers, and there are some very small numbers also. So some large numbers like this are given here. Large numbers. Then you have small numbers also, microscopic numbers, like the things which are microscopic in nature, you measure them with very small numbers like microns, right? Picometers, etc.
Yes, sir.
So you can be having a diameter of a cell of an amoeba like this. Okay, but the question is that how do we represent such numbers in the form of exponents? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So have you
Okay.
used minus 10 as the power?
Yeah. We will be
Can you
studying
use
it.
minus 10 as the power?
Yeah, we will take the powers in the form of minus 10. Okay, earlier I told you, like, simply we can take out the decimal part here, and you will write as many zeros in the denominator as many digits are there in the numerator. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you'll write how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will be 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 meter here. Yes,
Yes, sir.
right now. So that is what we will be discussing and solving some questions on it also. So for example, this number here, it can be expressed as 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 11. So we have put a decimal here. We have put a decimal here. So take this number, 150, 3 zeros, again 3, and again 3, and again 3. Okay, Ahmed, count the number of zeros. How many zeros are there? There are 10 zeros here, no?
Sir, can you
repeat? I got disconnected.
Yeah, I was telling you that look at this number here, which has been represented in the form of exponent as 1.5 multiplied 10 raised to the power 11. Okay, so I have rewritten the number here. Counting the number of zeros, we find out that it has 11 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Only 10 zeros, not 11. So we could have written it like this: 15 into 10 raised to the power 11. Okay, but that is not the standard form of writing the number in the exponent form, because you need to write the number like this, as here it is given
Yes,
as
sir.
1.5.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so after the 10th digit you need to place a decimal. Okay, after the 10th digit you need to place a decimal here. Getting it now? Between ones and a unit digit and 10th digit we have to put a decimal here. So in order to do that, what we will do, we will divide it with 10. Yeah, we will be dividing it with 10 here.
Yes, sir.
Getting it here, and we will also be multiplying it with 10 so that our value does not changes. Getting it?
Yes,
So
sir.
15 upon 10 will be 1.5, while you are having 10 raised to the power 11 and 10 raised to the power 1. Again, we had originally 10 zeros, na guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes,
6,
sir.
7, 8, 10 zeros. Okay, so it was 10 zero all this while. Okay, so now we can add the powers of these two values, 10 raised to the power 10 and 10 raised to the power 1. You can
11.
add the exponents. So you are getting 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 11 here.
11.
So I will be giving some questions, then it will become more clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's have a look at some of the questions. Okay. So first look at some questions, then we will discuss further.
Okay, sir.
Convert in standard form. Question number 1 is 0.0. Okay, no. Question number 1 here is 17000000. Okay, convert this one into a standard form. Another question is 11000. Okay. Convert these three numbers in standard form.
Okay. Sir, in the chat box, or can I tell you?
Okay, in the chat box. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can you show your what you had written below? I have to say take the screenshot.
But I have written below. No, I haven't written
The
anything
account
below.
is not visible. The
My account
account
isn't
is not
visible.
visible. Yes, sir. In the chat.
Okay. Okay, if it's not visible, just tell me the answer if you have solved it.
Say it's 1.7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7.
10 raised to the power 7.
7, yes.
Yeah, that is correct. The first one is correct. Good. How we did this? Simply the number was this. Okay. So first you will write it as 17 into 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. So 10 raised to the power 6. Okay.
Sir, I
Now
found
we
the
know
second
that
one.
second one. Good. Okay, and we know that in order to make it in the standard form, you need to place a decimal between the unit digit and the ones digit. So it will be 17 divided by 10 and then multiplied with 10 also. Getting it?
Yes,
So it's
sir.
1.7 into 10 raised to the power 7. You have added the exponents here. Getting it, Ahmed?
So the second one is 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10.
10. Okay, count the number of 10 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4,
So
5,
9.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, including this, it will be 10. Good.
The third one will be 1.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power wait
13.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, yeah.
13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good. 13. Right. So that is how you are required to solve such questions. So we have just discussed the larger numbers. The first part is clear. Now let's get to
Yes, sir.
understand how do we express very small numbers in the form of exponents, right? So look at the
Yes,
other
sir.
number 0.00000 and 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first write it in the form of fraction. That is what we are going to do. So it will be written like this. Yeah. 7
Yes, sir.
upon 10 raised to the power 6. Getting it? So
Yes,
it
sir.
is not same as
Yes,
like
sir.
this 7 into 10 raised to the power 6. And I know that 7 up 1 upon 10 raised to the power 6 can be written as 10 raised to the power minus 6.
Yes,
As
sir.
per the law of exponents, you guys know if it's like this a raised to the power minus n, it is simply 1 upon a raised to the power n.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting it? So that is what we have done here. So this is, look at over here, at 7 upon 10 raised to the power 6. So it will be 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter here. Then another question, thickness of a paper is given this much. Getting it now? So it
Yes,
will be
sir.
written as it is 0.0016. So you will write it in the form of fraction like this. There are 4
Yes,
zeros
sir.
here. Further, it's 16 upon 10 raised to the power 4. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So we can simply write it like this 16 to 10 power minus 4, but that won't be correct.
Yes, sir.
That won't be correct because we need to place a decimal. We need to place a decimal between the units and the tens digit here, right?
Yes,
So what we need to do here, decimal is moved 3 places to the right. Okay, so count the numbers here. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, you will be placing a decimal that is between 1 and 6. But we can't
Yes.
simply place a decimal. In order to do that, we need to divide and multiply it with 10. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I guess you guys
Yes,
are
sir.
getting confused. Let me revise the process here. So the number was like the 0.0016. Getting it now? Now we
Yes, sir.
need to convert it into fraction. It is 16 upon 1000,
4 zeros.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is same as it is now
1 point.
16 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 here.
Yes, sir.
No, simply write it first like this to avoid confusions. Zero 0.0016 equals to 16 upon 10,000. So it's 16 upon 10 raised to the power 4. And then in order to place a decimal here, you need to multiply it and divide it with 10. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's 1.6 now into 10 raised to the power minus 4 into 10 here. Into 10 here. So 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 would be your final answer.
Yeah, minus 3. Yes.
Getting it here?
Yes,
Solve
sir.
a similar. Let's look
Yes,
at.
sir.
Let's have a look at similar question. Then
I
it will
got
become
it,
more
sir.
clear. Now you have got a number like 0.000016 now. Let's try to do this one. So it will
Sir,
be
can you do?
16 upon. Let me solve this one. I will be giving you one more question. Getting it?
Okay, sir.
So let's place how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Yes. So it is now what?
Yes, sir.
16 upon 10 raised to the power 6 now.
6.
Yeah. Now, in order to place a decimal between 1 and 6, we need to multiply and divide it
10
with
upon
10. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 16 into 10 raised to the power 6 multiplied 10 divided by 10 also. Right. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
1.6
Yes, sir.
into 10 to the power 6, sorry, minus 6 into 10 raised to the power minus to the
So
1.
minus 5.
So it is 10 to the power minus 5. Good. Now solve one more question.
Okay, sir.
Question is 0.000. Just hold on for a minute. Yes, the question is 0.00000 and 78. Solve this question.
So in the chat box.
Yeah, in the chat box. Do one thing, just do tell me the answer, because the in the chat box not everyone is getting the name. Okay, my name is not visible there.
Yes, sir.
It is 10.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power raised to the power minus 6.
Okay,
So it will be 7.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5.
-5. What about you, Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
So the first step is, Ahmed, we need to convert it into fraction from decimal. How many zeros are going to be there? Count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 3, and 2. Now next step is to write this denominator value into exponent form. So it will be 10 raised to the power 8 here. Right now. Now the next step will be to bring this on the numerator side. So 10 raised to the power 8, if you were to bring it on the numerator side, its power will be in minus here. Right.
Yes.
Now it's 78, sorry, not 7 raised to the power 8. Now we know that we need to place a decimal between 7 and 8 here.
Yes, sir.
Right now. So in order to do that, what we will be do? We will be dividing it
Multiply
with
by
10 and multiplying it with
So
10
10
also.
raised to the power 7 minus 7.
Yeah, 7.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 now.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is the required value in this case. Hope that is clear to all three of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ahmed, is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try to solve some more questions. Only then I will be convinced that you guys have understood it fully. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm assigning the questions. Okay, the first question, Ahmed, you will be solving.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Second question, Arhan, you will be solving it. Third question,
Okay,
Arham,
sir.
you will be solving it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, take your time and solve it. The steps are very easy. Okay, I will be revising the step. In order to convert the smaller number like this decimal value, the first one, you have to convert it into decimal first. Okay, and then whatever the value you will be getting in the denominator, you will have to bring it to the numerator side and convert the sign of the exponent. And then you have to place the decimal between the ones and unit digit. In order to do that, you are well aware you have to divide it with the appropriate value.
Sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so third one you were
20
required to solve.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. 21.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5.
10 raised to the power 5.
5.
Okay,
Sorry, sir. So it's 6, sir.
it's 6. 10 raised to the power 6 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Look here, you can, if you are having a number like this now, 216 is here. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So there's the most appropriate way to write this number is in the form of 2.16. So here you will be dividing it with 100.
Yes.
I will come to that question in a moment. Try to bring it
Okay.
in this form 2.16. Yes, Ahmed.
5.64 into 10.
5.64 into
10.
10 raised to the power
7.
7,
Yes.
or is it minus 7?
Is it
Is it
minus 7?
minus 7? No, I don't think it's minus 7, Ahmed, but still I will be checking it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yeah, what is the answer?
So it is 2.1 raised to the multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 7.
-7. Okay, we will come to that. First, let me check the Ahmed's answer. So the question is 0.00. How many zeros are there? 3 and 3. 6 zeros are there, no?
7. 6 is.
Okay, that is the number. So you will be writing it like this: 564 upon 1 with how many zeros? 1, 3, 6, 9, no?
Mm,
Yes, sir.
9 0.
So it's 564
So it will
upon
be
10 this 8.
8.
Let me check for the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 now. It will be
Okay.
9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 10 raised to the power 9 here now. Now,
Okay, sir.
so 564 into 10 raised to the power minus 9. That it will be. Right. Now we need
Yes.
to place a decimal here. Right. So here you have got a 3-digit number. Up till now we were having 2 digits number. No.
Yes, sir.
So far we were dealing with numbers like 1, 6, 7, 8, where you were required to place a decimal between the two, between the ones and unit digit. Now you are dealing with 3-digit number. So ones, tens, 100. Now here you have to place a digit between tens and 100 digit. Place a decimal between tens and 100 digit. So in order to do that, we have to multiply it with 100 now and divide
Yes,
it
sir.
with 100 also. Yes, Ahmed,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
Right, so it will be 5.64 into 10 raised to the minus 9 into 100, right?
Yes, sir.
That is 100. So it is 5.64 into 10 raised to the minus 9 into 10 raised to the power 2. Okay, I guess you the answer which you gave, that is correct. That was correct.
Thank you.
Okay. But you were saying 10 raised to the 7, it has to be minus 7. I guess that's what you said, right?
Yes, I said -7.
Yeah. So that is correct. Very good. Now let's try to solve the next one, which or Arhan you solve, no? So there were how many zeros?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, right? So it will be 21 upon 1 with 3, 5, 7 here. So 21 into 10 to the minus 7 divided by 10 and multiplied by 10. So it will be 2.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 plus 1. So 2.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. That
Oh,
would
yes,
be
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
proper
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Getting it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the third one, Arham, will you please repeat your answer, dear?
So it was 2 point, now I have done again. So it is
Mm-hmm.
2.16 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7.
7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that was the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2.16 into 10 7. Yeah, that is correct here. Right now.
Yes, sir.